Hello my dear positive vibers. Today I'm super excited to be bringing this mind-blowing cinnamon rolls recipe your way. As we make this yummy recipe, let me tell you a story about my experience with cinnamon. Do you know one bad experience can make you avoid something forever? That was me and cinnamon. One bite of a terrible cinnamon snack years ago and I swore never again. I told myself, cinnamon and we are done. But life has a way of surprising you, because the day I made these cinnamon rolls at home, oh my dear positive vibers, the whole story changed. I remember the first time I tasted that horrible cinnamon snack. It was dry, bitter, and too much spice, almost like punishment in a bun. I carried that memory for years. Anytime I saw cinnamon in the store, I would walk away. Anytime someone praised cinnamon rolls, I'll just smile and think, not for me. Isn't it funny how one bad encounter can blind us from good waiting ahead? One day, curiosity whispered, why not try again, but this time around in your own kitchen? I hesitated, but something in me wanted redemption. As I kneaded the dough, it felt like I was kneading away old fears. The aroma of butter filling the room, soft music played in the background, and I thought maybe cinnamon deserves another chance. Now, here's where the magic began. The feeling, sugar, butter, cinnamon coming together like a choir. As I spread it across the dough, I paused. That smell, it wasn't harsh. It was warm. It felt like a hug in the air. My hands moved slower, almost like I didn't want that moment to end. Right then, I realized the problem wasn't cinnamon. The problem was how it had been treated before. Into the oven they went, rolled up like little secret about to be revealed. My daughter kept running into the kitchen saying, "Mommy, it smells so good." Trust Ziba. And honestly, I was just impatient. I leaned close to the glass of the oven, watching those rolls puff up, turn golden, and whisper, "Trust us, we'll change your mind." When the rolls finally came out, steaming and soft, we couldn't even wait for frosting. We pulled one part, that swirl of cinnamon sugar like a painting. I took one bite, closed my eyes, and boom, this wasn't the bitter memory I had before. This was joy. This was forgiveness. This was home. My daughter smiled as she took her bite. That sealed it. We didn't just eat cinnamon rolls that day. We rewrote history. Funny enough, that day taught me something bigger. Sometimes you taste something bitter, a bad relationship, a failed business, a tough season, and you think never again. But what if the little patience, the right ingredient, and a fresh start, the same thing that once hurt you, could bring sweetness into your life? That is what cinnamon rolls became for me. Proof that second chances can be beautiful. So if you have ever avoided something because of a bad taste, maybe it's time to try again. Maybe the sweetness is waiting just around the corner. As for me and my daughter, cinnamon rolls have now become a special treat. And every time I bake them, I smile and think, look how far we've come. From fear to flavor, from bitter to beautiful. And all it looked was one homemade roll. You know, as I sit here with the last crumbs of cinnamon rolls on my plate, I can't help but laugh at myself. Who would have thought the same girl who once ran away from cinnamon now licking her fingers like a guilty child? Life is funny like that, isn't it? And my dear positive vibers, if cinnamon rolls could win me over again, imagine what else is waiting to surprise you. Maybe the recipe you've been avoiding is the one that will change your kitchen forever. So don't just watch, try it, bake it, and when you do, come back here and tell me your story in the comments. I want to hear it all, because this channel isn't just about recipes. It's about second chances, about family, about the joy of turning ordinary ingredient into unforgettable memories. And if today's video brought you even a pinch of joy, then guess what? We are already family. So here's the deal. If you smile today, hit the like button. If you've got someone who needs a little sweetness, share this video with them. And if you want to keep walking with this food journey with me, from cinnamon rolls to surprises you never saw coming, then don't just watch from the window. Come inside, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because we've got plenty more stories cooking. Thank you for spending this sweet time with me and my daughter. Remember, never let one bad experience stop you from finding the sweetness life has to offer. Until next time, I love you and God bless you. Bye guys.